Chapter 1.3 Programming Tools and Techniques. Structure. The solving of problems using computing techniques relies heavily on being able to divide the problem into a series of steps that should be solved in a sequence in order to solve the entire problem. The sequence of steps that need to be carried out in order to solve a problem, which takes into account the order of the steps, is called an algorithm. There are a number of ways of presenting such algorithms. Consider the problem. How to calculate the perimeter of a rectangle when it has length L and breadth B. We all know that the answer is obtained by simply finding the lengths of the four sides and adding them up. Indeed, the last sentence is an algorithm. It tells you how to solve the problem that has been set, and if the instructions are followed, the answer should be worked out. This is a prose solution to the problem because the answer is given as though it is spoken language. While it is a perfectly good description of the algorithm here, the problem is a very simple one. The difficulty with spoken language is that it is hard to describe more complex solutions because of ambiguities. Consider some other methods for writing down an algorithm. 1. In maths we use formulae for showing the solutions to simple problems. In this case, perimeter equals length plus breadth plus length plus breadth. Or perimeter equals 2 asterisk, length plus breadth. It is important to realize that there is no single right answer. Either of these formulae will work, and when we are considering an algorithm, some may be more efficient than others, but if they work out the answer to the problem, then that's enough. A simple algorithm like this can sometimes be expressed as a single formula. 2. There are two things that have to be done to produce an algorithm to solve this problem. We have to times by 2, and we have to add the length and breadth together. However, there is one further factor: they must be done in the right order or the answer will be wrong. This leads to another way of writing down an algorithm: write down the steps and number them so that they are done in numerical order. In this case, the algorithm is 1. Find the length and breadth. 2. Add the length and the breadth together. 3. Multiply the result by 2. 4. End. 3. Another way of showing this order is to use arrows pointing from one instruction to the next. The example shows the individual instructions in nice neat little boxes. This is certainly not necessary, and also uses the normal rule of reading down a page. However, providing the arrows are in the correct order, then the instructions can be placed anywhere. This type of representation of the algorithm is known as a flow diagram. There are many other ways of defining the solutions to problems, some of which you will meet later in this course.